Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken momos using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the flavorful filling, you'll need 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the soft dough, we'll use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, about 1/4 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for our tasty momos. Now, let's create our incredibly flavorful chicken filling. In a bowl, combine your 1 pound of ground chicken with the finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce for an umami kick. Mix everything together really well with your hands until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. This ensures every bite of your momo is packed with taste. With our filling ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping the momos. First, roll out small pieces of dough into thin, circular wrappers, approximately 3 inches in diameter. Then place about 1 tablespoon of your chicken filling right in the center of each dough circle. Now, carefully fold and pleat the edges of the wrapper to seal the momo. You can create various beautiful shapes, ensuring the filling is completely enclosed. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't flawless. Finally, let's cook and enjoy our homemade chicken momos. Arrange your beautifully shaped momos in a steamer basket lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Make sure your water is boiling vigorously before placing the steamer over it. Steam the momos for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the wrappers are translucent and the chicken is cooked through. Serve these delightful, hot momos immediately with your favorite spicy dipping sauce. Enjoy your easy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.